let me tell you no I'm going right now. It's right now then two ya. We not invite them back away yard. Right now then two ya.
No, but they don't win. You're the one winning right now.
Well, they were winning.
When is the last time? She won only one time, you won like 2, 3 times?
They were winning at first. Look at the crowd. Look at these two watching TV. Look at them. Good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here. When I say beautiful, I mean I'm alive, so it's beautiful. But outside ain't beautiful, girl. It's raining. It's raining today, very cloudy, and Almighty just showering us with blessing. So we're not gonna complain, though would rather be hosting outside, because outside space just nice when you host outside, but that's okay. We're still gonna host inside. And you're wondering, girl, why are you talking about hosting? Yes, my friends are coming over today, the same friends you saw in yesterday's vlog. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, well, you'll meet them today. So my friend is Tasha. She's coming with her family, her husband and her 2 kids. Tasha is St. Martin mixed with Jamaican. Her mom is Jamaican and her dad is from St. Martin. She was born and raised there on the French side of St. Martin. So she speaks fluently both French and English, and so does her husband and the kids. So it's so good to have a friend who you can relate to when it comes on to couple with kids. So that's really good. We went hiking yesterday. It was so much fun. I invited them over for lunch today. So you guys know how I do when I host, right? The Jamaican in me comes out. So I woke up this morning. It is now 15 minutes after 12, as you guys can see up here. Woke up this morning and your girl threw down in the kitchen like she always do. So what did I cook, you ask? I made rice and peas. I did fried chicken. I did a little jerk chicken. I made vegetables. I made a whole pot of curry goat. Yes. And what else? I made one more thing. And I made some potato salad, which I haven't done in a long time. So that's what I did for lunch. So they're coming over, so the kids gonna play a bit and the adults have some adults time, and we're all gonna eat. So that's what we're up to today. The Tyler is happy because his friend is coming over. Sarah is here. Say good morning, Faves. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. What are you doing? Say, I am playing. Good job. Hi, Tyler. Say hello to the Faves.
Popcorn.
What you doing, boy?
I'm packing up.
You're packing up your cards. All right. So everybody is here. And let's go see if we can find the husband. Husband. He have to come with something. He never fails. If he didn't come with something, it would be him. What are you doing? All right, we're just gonna wait here for you. See how long it's gonna take him. Can you guys tell he's just rolling out of bed? Look at him.
Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, and good night, and good evening. We always forget the evening. I hope you're all doing well. We are doing well. We can have a wonderful day. We can have a wonderful lunch.
You're looking forward to it, don't you?
No.
Lie. You cannot lie, not even to save your stomach. Not even to save your stomach, you can't lie. Not even to save your stomach, you can't lie.
I never lie. I joke. That's different. Is joke and lie the same?
No, it's not. Trust me, it's not. Anyway, you guys, we're hanging around just waiting on the rest of the crew to get here. And we're gonna have a good day. So if it's the first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the fam bam and don't miss a beat, because you already know how we do around here. Anyway, you guys, have a good day and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. I'll catch you guys along today. Hey guys, the fam bam is here and we're about to have lunch. Hi Nai. Hey, you drawing? What are you drawing? What you drawing? Huh? You don't know. You're trying to figure it out. She's trying to figure it out as she go along. No, let them stay right there. Good girl. Ready full your belly? Yes. Alright, boys. Dinner time. Lunch time. Come, let's eat. Come now. A table. 1, 2. Yeah, two go around there. Let me find the boys. Tyler? Amori? A table? Don't do that sound when I speak to you. Take off your costume. You want to eat in your costume? If you mess it up, then what? No, take it off. If you mess it up. J'arrive.
Mama?
A table. Go.
Can I
Go, you sit beside Amari. Tata will show you where to sit. Go.
here after?
Yes, not no, later. Wash Sarah now. Sarah. Sarah, where's your chair? See, I put your chair up. We're ready to grub. Look at the grub.
Pass him back his plate. More you don't want pizza. You want pizza and rice? Tyler, you want a lot?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell her not eat much from morning and so him hungry.
Last time. Put more?
Yes, man, give him a little bit more. You see him now when it's something that him like, I make sure I give him when him asks for it, because him don't normally eat. So when him want to eat,
You want some pizza and rice, Tyler?
I let him enjoy eating.
No?
Tyler, open your mouth and speak, please.
What you want, some pizza and rice?
Huh?
You want pizza and rice?
Tyler, there is sauce. There's sauce for the chicken in front of Tonton, okay?
I saw
No, that one is pepper sauce. That one is not pepper.
You want potato?
Sur le poulet ou à côté?
So Melissa, are you not eating?
No, I'm letting you serve the kids first.
C'est bon comme ça?
You want sauce? You want what, Amari?
Oh, sauce watching face. I'm already too cute. Ah, she want chicken now. You change your mind. Oui, oui.
Et c'est
Sarah, come Tyler.
You want potato salad, mommy? Potato salad?
Tyler, don't let me hear your mouth.
C'est la même école.
Montega.
Montega.
Non, ils sont à la même école.
Non.
Non, il est en maternelle.
Non, mais c'est pas au même endroit la maternelle.
Non,
C'est vrai?
séparé. Bah après il y a quoi? 800 mètres entre les deux.
Ah,
La maternelle et les
Il
à côté.
il m'a fait les deux.
ok.
C'est le même groupe scolaire quoi.
Ok.
Oh, salad dressing is here. She want dressing?
I don't know. It depends on what kind it is.
She can taste it.
No, she ain't eat it.
No?
I can tell you from now. No.
Babe, my own babe.
Sarah?
Well, knowing my husband, him now.
Sarah, me, and Amari, we are the only ones that are starting to.
Because you and Amori and Sarah is the only one with mouth. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
How about that? All right. Dessert time. Chocolate cake. What is this on top? Grape. Is grape? Is grapes they used to garnish it?
Les trois chocolats, c'est des cerises.
Oh, ça c'est le... Non, c'est pas cerise.
That's we call it
C'est raisin.
Les cherries.
cherry. Yeah.
Ah, okay. And this one is what? Citron? C'est citron?
Non,
c'est
that one
fraise.
is fraise.
Non, c'est quoi le crème? C'est quoi?
What is it?
Oh, it look like citron cream. Okay. Ah, ok.
Ouais, sur la tarte.
C'est quoi ça?
Je sais pas, c'est quoi ça?
Il y a la mousse et
Using this mix?
il y a la crème.
No man, use a big knife. You see some long, look over where the, right.
Ouais, c'est la crème pâtissière.
He's a fool. She not a sense, you know. Use the one name. No, that one name.
Hey, we're gonna
Hey, move your inner. Hi. He's a fool.
which one to use?
That one.
This one?
Yes.
And also cut better?
Yes, that one will cut
No, you
better.
have for that one, somebody's come out.
Yeah, yes, man. You can take your practice.
No, ask him, he just keep nice away from me.
Les enfants,
Come, go tap. Gâteau.
Tyler,
Gâteau.
viens. Nine. Sarah. Hey, do the gâteau dance. Do the gâteau dance. Hey. Sarah, come for cake. Cake. Sarah, cake. Does she run?
You can't stay in one place now.
Sarah, come for cake. Sarah, come for cake. Sarah, cake.
I want the chocolate.
Cake. Cake.
Chocolate.
Hey. Husband. Yeah.
Gâteau. Gâteau chocolat.
You guys, the kids are having the best time. Look at them. Look at them. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Princess. You're playing with Nai. Cuckoo, Anila. Anila. Cuckoo. So the girls are here and the boys are up there. Hi, Tyler. Hi, Amori. Why you not going to make me capture the memory? What's wrong with you? Move.
Marshall, change.
You know. Look at these two. They're too cute.
Sarah? Naila?
Oh my god. No. Let me tell you no one right now. It's right now then two ya. We not invite them back our yard. Right now then two ya.
No, but they don't win. You're the one winning right now.
Well, they were winning.
When is the last time? She won only one time. You won like 2-3 times.
They were winning at first.
You only win.
First of all, we discovered that him no like the kind of talk that me pass. Then second of all, they must just on the phone, but if I turn red, oh God, babe, they must do man. They must do this
And
man.
you are doing your husband bad. You don't under fear and.
What did I do so?
Leave me alone.
Oh God, they must do
Melissa,
this
and you do your husband bad. You sit right under fear and you are giving
You see,
him
at first I shot high five. Good job. Team.
and no team, right?
I know we are clap you, don't you?
Your legs.
But if it's not
Yeah.
me, it's you, babe. So what I have to win. What saying go if me not bang you, me not love you.
That you been?
If I love me, you
Play.
no, you not agree. No,
You not agree? I don't on camera.
Hey.
Yeah, I agree. You have to agree first. Agree.
I agree to disagree.
What is this here?
Oh God, you can't you get him on. No, Minister.
It's because of that I'm gonna blow him one more.
In this one.
Alright. Make the seat.
Mama,
Yes, boo.
it says arrive on the bed.
That's okay. Let you stay. I know it's dangerous, but that's okay.
Anila, leave her.
Leave her tie.
That's okay. Leave her on the bed and pack away everything else.
Faster.
And if faster.
Instead of my rush me door.
If you take your beat.
Pressure. Pressure, them a pressure the king. I'm not queen, them a pressure not king. Alright, let me see if babe we magically win that one here.
Minister, I come on a position too.
What is sure is that Melissa isn't going to win.
Changing accent again.
One with yourself, Mr. British.
Baby.
Come here.
But no! But no! C'est pas vrai?
Wake me up when I can play.
You play?
Your turn.
You can't play either?
It's your turn.
No,
I
you
just
to
play.
play.
It's you!
Oh, it's
He
my
play,
turn?
he
Okay.
pass, he play.
They not be nice to you? Or you not be nice to them? Who's to play?
Both
Me?
ways around. Let us annoy you.
And listen, why you do that?
Because the intention is,
To make me pass.
yep,
Alright, go on with yourself, sir.
no bad.
Go on with yourself, man.
Me say your husband must want to slap you in the head, my girl. Play, baby.
Wait, have me if you watch Tonto and the milk I leave you know, cause
I gave the cat.
We
I
can't
gave the cat
I
dirty.
not trust Tonto. I not trust Tonto one bit. No, they want at all.
That's what he's telling you.
You want to pass?
No, me can't pass and me a go win.
Sure, pass.
Oh no, go get it. Go get it.
See what mommy do?
Naughty mommy.
See what mommy do, mommy win.
Naughty.
Mommy win. Mommy win. Mommy win. Mommy win.
Every time I finish with the same two.
And you keep doing that to finish with the same two to change up your strategy. Baby, that's not working. That's not working.
No, you are killing her wickedly.
Oh God. What? Look at what you did today, what? Tonto naughty.
No. Don't naughty. Everywhere do her. Sarah, clap your hands to
Pardon,
Tati.
Sarah.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands to Tati.
She happy.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Wagwan, my youths. Casa.
You guys, can you feel I'm dead? Look at my eyes. The fat.
She had a good day. She was a perfect house, and I give her a 10 on 10. You were
You guys
good.
know that I love hosting.
She does. She does.
But I am tired. I am tired because I had one of the best weekends ever. I haven't had a weekend like this in a long time. Yesterday, that I would say we should have walked for 4 hours, but our walk ended up going like for 5-6 hours. And when I tell you that I'm feeling it right now, last night I had to woke up and massage my feet. I couldn't sleep, and then it started scratching me and hurting so bad, and the massage helped. I was managed to stand and cook the entire morning, and now I guess because of the standing and cooking for a few hours, it's back and it's hurting me so bad. But I create amazing memories with amazing people, so I'll take it. I'll just figure out how to handle it.
Next day
Rest
will be
and
He will be
I went
done.
back to my old self. But I had
Yeah.
fun with Tasha and our
And
family.
get ready for next weekend.
Get ready for another weekend. Because these weekends, when I have these crazy ass the weekends,
You're happy.
I gotta go. Y'all, my knee from the fall yesterday, cuts and bruises, and my knee is hurting me so bad. And this girl have 101 problem, but man is not one. That was not funny.
No, I forget to laugh. Should I have laugh?
Yes, you should have a laugh.
No, so we can redo it and you tell me when to laugh. and
Use
I
a
laugh.
phone.
Anyway, guys, that's just to tell you that was a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend. That was a very good day. We have good moment. We have very good moment. But now it's time to end the day and to start a new wonderful week. So yeah,
It's gonna be a rainy week.
Let's see. Let's see, Mrs. Meteo, Mrs. Weather Forecast.
Anyway, you guys, if you enjoyed today's vlog,
Give the thumbs up.
oh yeah, and
Don't forget to comment
And what
and to
else?
like and to share and to tell others that you like.
and to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to it yet.
And to turn on the notification bell.
Exactly.
Mm.
Catch up and keep up on all the old videos until you get back to this one. And we'll see you guys.
Tomorrow.
That's right. Tomorrow. Dad, bad. Dad, can you guys no vibes tonight? Babe, you know you're not to do that. Y'all think I don't have any insecurity? This is my insecurity.
Insecurity.
Under here. It'll never go away. Anytime I put
disappear.
on a little bit of weight, it
It
comes.
disappear.
Because I don't have no weight now. But
See.
once I put on a little bit, this is my cue when I put on weight. This come down
Shot
like
two.
frog. Anyway, you guys.
You're
Go to
frog?
bed.
You're frog in your
Babe,
family?
go to bed. Yes, you're the only frog in my damn family.